I feel very hungry today.
Me too. I did not eat much this morning.
Same here. I only had a small breakfast.
Let's go and get some fast food.
That sounds perfect right now.
There is a nice restaurant near the corner.
Oh yes, I remember that place.
It is clean and the food is good.
Great, let's go there together. The restaurant looks busy today.
Yes, many people are here.
That is a good sign.
Yes, it means the food is fresh.
I like the smell in here.
Me too. It smells really good.
I see the menu on the wall.
Yes, let's stand here and read it.
There are many options.
Yes, burgers, sandwiches, fries, and drinks.
I feel a little confused.
That is okay. Take your time.
I see a chicken burger combo.
That looks nice.
It comes with fries and a drink.
That is a good deal.
I also see a double beef burger.
That one looks big.
Yes, it looks very big.
Can you finish that?
I'm not sure. Maybe it is too much.
Then choose something simple.
Yes, I think I will take the chicken combo.
Good choice. It is light and tasty.
What are you going to order?
I think I will order a cheeseburger.
Only the burger?
No, I will also get fries.
Small or large?
I will take small fries.
And a drink?
Yes, I want orange juice.
I think I want a cold soda.
That is good with fries.
Yes, I like that combination.
Me too.
I feel a little nervous to order.
Do not worry. Just speak slowly.
Okay, I will try my best.
I will stand next to you.
That makes me feel better. Who will order first?
You can go first if you want.
No, you go first.
Okay, I will start. Watch me. Hello.
Good start.
I would like one cheeseburger, please.
Nice and clear.
And small fries, please.
Very good.
And one orange juice.
Perfect.
That is all for me, thank you.
You did great.
See, it is easy.
Now it is my turn.
Yes, you can do it.
Hello. I would like a chicken burger combo, please,
Good job.
with medium fries and a cold soda.
That sounds perfect.
That is all, thank you.
Very nice.
I feel more confident now.
That is great to hear.
It was not as hard as I thought.
Yes, practice makes it easy.
Now we have to wait.
Yes, they will call our number.
Where should we sit?
Let's find a quiet table.
I see one near the window.
That looks nice. Let's go there.
This seat is comfortable.
Yes, and we can see outside.
I like watching people walk by.
Me too. It is relaxing.
I'm happy we came here.
Me too. It is a nice place.
And we practiced English.
Yes, that is very important.
Next time, I want to try a different order.
Like what?
Maybe a sandwich or a wrap.
That sounds good.
I want to learn new words, too.
You are doing very well.
Thank you. You are a good teacher.
I'm just helping a little.
It helps a lot. Oh, I see our number on the screen.
Yes, our food is ready.
Let's go get it.
Okay, let's go together.
The tray looks full.
Yes, everything is there.
I see your cheeseburger.
And your chicken burger, too.
The fries look hot and fresh.
Be careful, they are very hot.
Let's sit and eat.
Yes, I cannot wait.
This burger tastes very good.
Mine is also very tasty.
The bread is soft.
And the cheese is melted.
I like it a lot. The fries are crispy.
Yes, they are perfect.
The soda is cold and refreshing.
My orange juice is sweet and fresh.
I feel very satisfied now.
Me too. The food is great.
I'm glad we came here.
Yes, it was a good idea.
I also feel proud
Why?
because I ordered in English.
You should feel proud.
I was nervous at first.
That is normal.
Now I feel relaxed and happy.
That is progress.
Next time I will speak even more.
Yes, you can ask questions too.
Like what?
You can ask about the menu.
That is a good idea. Maybe I can ask, what do you recommend?
Yes, that is a great question.
Or what is popular here?
Perfect. You are learning fast.
I am trying.
And you are doing very well.
After this, maybe we can get dessert.
That sounds fun.
I saw ice cream on the menu.
Yes, they have chocolate and vanilla.
I like chocolate.
I like vanilla.
Let's finish this first.
Yes, one step at a time.
I feel full now.
Me too.
The meal was perfect.
Yes, not too much and not too little.
Thank you for coming with me.
You are welcome.
I enjoyed this time.
Me too. It was fun and useful.
Let's come again next week.
Yes, and practice more English.
Deal.
Deal.